All right, guys, I've got something special for you today. I'm excited to check these out. I have not taken them out of the box yet. These are the Brewin Chefilosophi chef knife. It's a 5-piece set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have red Pakkawood handles, and these are stainless steel Japanese chef knives. So I can tell you just off the bat, this is very nice packaging. You know, as somebody who reviews products on Amazon, one of the things I always notice is when the packaging is good quality, high quality, like high end. This is a high end packaging feel that usually lets you know the quality of the product is there because they're even spending energy on the packaging. So I can tell you this box has a very cool feel. You know, you can even see it describes each of the knives and what they can be used for. I'll just read that to you a bit. Basically, you've got the 8-inch chef's knife. Let's just pull that one out first. Wow, these are really nice knives. Holy crap. Check these out, dude. These are going to last, dude. I'm excited to use these. We've got the 8-inch chef knife right here. That's going to be your all-purpose workhorse. That's the knife you're going to use for most stuff. We're going to cut something here in a second. Check it out. Then we've got the 8-inch slicing knife right here. And I want to tell you, these handles are super high quality. And they feel sharp. But these handles are really good. They're very sturdy. That slicing knife is you're gonna do a lot of meat with that. Then we've got this is a cool knife. I think this is one I use a lot. It's the 7-inch Santoku knife. Again, and these, dude, there's something about the presentation of this. They have a warranty. You can reach out to for a warranty. I mean, they've got it covered here. 5-inch utility knife. Boom. Got that, and that's going to be good for, like, honestly, I think that's probably what I'm going to use. I'm just going to cut some peppers here just to see how sharp they are. And then we've got a 3.5-inch paring knife. Actually, that's what I'm going to use for slicing vegetables and fruits. Dude, the presentation, I mean, I just got to show you again, dude. The presentation of these knives is just ridiculous, especially for the number I'm seeing on the screen there. These are nice. Let's go ahead. And chop a little bit. Let's just see how these work. We do it live here on this channel. My name's Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. Okay. This is cutting through this pepper with no friction. I mean, look at that. Let me do that again. I'm not even pressing. I'm just sliding it through there, and it chops it right down to the skin. This thing is, wow. This thing is sharp. These are super high quality. I'm going to be straight up. I'm excited to use these tonight for dinner. And based on what I'm experiencing here, not only do I recommend these are high-end knives that you almost want to showcase in your kitchen. And the cool thing is they're a great value. Highly recommend these.